कला अकादमीची रिनोवेशन खूप गाजता फाटली 2 वर्सां जाली. नॉमिनेशन बेजीस टेंडर दिला म्हणून आनी आयज एक इन्सिडंट घडला की ओपन एअर ऑडिटोरियम थिंग तेजो फूल स्लॅब कोसळ्ळा. कला अकादमी एक्चुअली रोखडीच ओपन जावपाक जाय आसली. ओपनिंग म्हणजे 2 वर्सां काम जाल्यार रोखडी ओपन जाता अशी म्हटलेलें तेंच्यानी, पण हो स्लॅब कोसळ्ळा. सगळे इन्सिडंटा कडेन कशें पळयता?
सी, दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज एन इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकार आनी जें असेंब्लीन तो इशू गाजलोलो and we were asked to give us details and how these estimates were made. This shows that this government is not serious, the minister is not serious, and this is mission total commission. Substandard works are being taken place all over the state. Everywhere you go, you see in the name of an event. म्हणजे एक इव्हेंट असो, इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट हो सरकार सारकें व्हडलें कितें जाता मूं फकत भाशणां दिवप. But reality is, this is mission total commission. Yes, substandard work, and I think we should ask for a judicial inquiry into it, because this is a very serious lapse on the part of the government, on the part of the ministry, and definitely we will demand in the House that there should be a judicial inquiry against this.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.